Good morning, dear students. In today's video, we will solve a revision worksheet of maths. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. First one, children, 4% of 300. So, equal to 300 into 4% means, children, 4 upon 100. Here, children, 20 get cancelled. We get here, children, 12. Now, second, multiply 4.3 into 1.2. Here, children, we multiply these two numbers, we get 5.16. Now, third one, simplify. Here, children, we have to divide 98 by 2. So, here we get, children, 49. Fourth one, multiply 5m square into 3m square. 5 3s are 15, m square into m square, m raised to 4. Now, question number 5th, add. Here, children, 932.42 plus 9.42. Here, these two we have to add, children. When we add, we get 941.84. Question number 2. Solve the following. In that first one, x varies inversely as y when x equal to 15, then y equal to 10. If x equal to 20, then y equal to question mark. Here, children, this is an example of inverse proportion. So, here we have to use the formula, children. You have already learned x inversely varies y. So, the formula, children, x into y equal to k. K is the constant. It means, children, whatever the answer we get when we multiply x into y, the answer is constant, children. Okay. So, that's why it's known as constant. First one, when x equal to 15, comma, y equal to 10, therefore, 15 into 10 equal to k. We have to multiply, children. 15 into 10, we get 150. Therefore, k equal to 150. K equal to 150 is the constant of variation. X, y equal to 150 is the equation of variation. Now, children, in the second condition, x is given, children, 20 and y value is not given. Here we have to find the value of y. When x equal to 20, comma, y equal to question mark. Here also, children, we have to use the same formula. X into y equal to k. K is the constant. X value is given, children. Here what is given? 20 into y equal to k, 150, children. Here in the first condition we got it, children. Therefore, y equal to 150 upon 20. Here, children, 0 get cancelled. 2 divided by 15, children, we get 7.5. Y equal to 7.5. Now, the second question. The marked price of a mixer is 2,300 rupees. A customer purchased it for rupees 1,955. Find percentage of discount offered to the customer. Here, children, MP of the mixer is given 2,300 and purchase means the children selling price is given 1,955. Here we have to find out percentage of discount. Given MP of a mixer equal to rupees 2300. SP of a mixer equal to 1955. Find out percentage of discount. Solution. Discount in rupees. First of all, we find children discount in rupees. The formula is MP minus SP. What is the MP is given children? 2300 and SP is given 1955. 2300 minus 1955, we get children rupees 345. Now this rupees we have to convert into percentage. The percentage discount equal to discount upon MP into 100. So what is the discount in rupees we got children? 345 upon 2300 into 100. 20 get cancelled children and we get 15%. Answer: the discount offered is 15%. Question number 3. If M directly varies N and when M equal to 154, N equal to 7, find the value of M when N equal to 14. Here children, this is an example of direct variation. So here we have to use the formula children. First of all, we will write M directly varies N. Now the formula children, therefore M equal to K N, K is the constant. When M equal to 154, N equal to 7, therefore 154 equal to K into 7, K equal to 154 upon 7. Here children, we have to do the cancellation, we get 22. Therefore, K equal to 22 is a constant of variation. Therefore, M equal to 22N is the equation of variation. Now, in the second condition children, M value is not given but N value is given. We have to find out M value. When M equal to question mark, N equal to 14, we have to use the same formula children here also. Therefore, M equal to Kn, in the bracket K is the constant. Therefore, M equal to 22 into 14. Okay children, here we have to multiply. Therefore, M equal to 308. Therefore, the value of M is 308. Question number 4. Divide. Write the quotient and the remainder. Here children, the question is 21m square divide 7m. Here children, 21m square is the dividend and 7m is the divisor. Okay children, now these two numbers we have to divide. So first of all, 7m. 7m will be outside, that is our divisor, and 21m square is a dividend. It will be inside. Now here children, we have to do one small rough work. This dividend 21m square upon 7m. Now here we have to do cancellation children. 7 ones are 7 threes are. Here m square means children how many m? 2, and here is 1. So 1 and get cancelled. So what remains children? 3 m. This 3m we write here, children. This is our quotient. Now here 21m square. Here plus sign is this, children, so we take minus. So plus minus get cancelled, we get 0. Remainder is 0. So we have to write down, children, remainder equal to 0. Therefore, quotient equal to 3m. This way we have to divide, children. Question number 2. 2y raised to cube plus 4y square plus 3 divided by 2y square. Children, this whole is the dividend and this is the divisor. So we take divisor outside, children. 2y square 2y cube plus 4y square plus 3. Here, children, we have to do the rough work I told in the question number 1. So what we have to take first? Dividend. What is the dividend, children? Here 2y cube. Only one term we have to take out, children. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms, but we have to take one term out, and this is the divisor, that is 2y square. 2 get cancelled. Here what is the, children? Cube, and here is 2. So 3 minus 2, what we get? 1. Means 1y. This right here, children, in the question place y. And here same term. What is the term, children? 2y raised to cube. Here plus is there, so we take minus. Plus minus get cancelled, 0. Now, children, take down 4y square plus 3. Okay, children. Now, this only one term of dividend take here, children. 4y square upon, what is the divisor, children? 2y square. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Okay, children. Now, y square both get cancelled. So, what here remains? 2. This 2 we write here, children, in the quotient place plus 2. Because here what the sign is, the children? Plus. Okay, nothing is there. It means it's occupy always, children, plus. So, we take here plus. Now, here we write, children, same term 4y square. Okay. Now, here plus is there. So, we take minus. Because plus minus get cancelled. So, here we get 0. And here what's remain, children? Plus 3. This is our quotient. Okay, children. Further we can't divide. Okay. So, that's why remainder equal to 0 plus 3. And what is the quotient, children? Quotient equal to y plus 2. Question number 5. John sold books worth rupees 4,500 for a publisher. For this, he received 15% commission. Complete the following activity to find the total commission John obtained. Here, children, selling price of the books is given 4,500. Okay, and commission is given, children, 15%. So here we have to find out total commission that John has obtained. Selling price equal to, what is the selling price is given, children, in the question? 4,500. And rate of commission, what is given? 15%. Commission obtained equal to, what we have to take, children? What is the commission given? 15%. So it means 15 upon 100 into, what is the selling price? 4,500. Now here, children, we have to do cancellation. 0, 0 get cancelled. So 15 into 45. We get, children, 675. Okay. Therefore, commission equal to 675 rupees. Question number 6. Factorize. First one. X square plus 9x plus 18. Here children, in this question we have to find the factors of the given expression. Here children, how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. First term is what children? X square. Second term is 9x and third term is 18. So our first step is children, first term into third term equal to x square into 18 equal to 18x square. Now children, here we have to find the factors of 18. What are the factors of 18 children? 9 2s are 18, but when we are adding 9 and 2, what we get? 11. And next factors children, 6 3s are 18. 6 plus 3, what we get? 9. We are getting a middle term. So here we take the factor children, 6x plus 3x. When we are adding these two, we are getting a middle term. So here children, the next step, x square plus 6x plus 3x plus 18. Now children, here we have to take the common between the two terms. So here we get the common children. X is common between these two terms. So take out the x common and uncommon take in the bracket x plus 6. Now here with the second two terms also children, we have to take the common. So we get the common here 3 and uncommon x plus 6. Now here children, the two brackets are same. So we have to take the common equal to x plus 6 in another bracket children, x plus 3. Now the next question, m square minus 25m plus 100. Here children, we have to find the factors of the expression. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. M square minus 25m plus 100. The first step is children, first term into third term equal to m square into 100. We get children here 100m square. Now here we have to find the factors of 100. So here what we will take children? What are the factors of 100? Tell me. 20 into 5 we get children 100. When we are adding 20 and 5 we get 25. That is our middle term. So here children, the next step, m square minus 20m minus 5m plus 100. Now we have to take the common children between the two terms equal to m is common between two terms. So take out and uncommon in the bracket m minus 20. Here children, between the next two terms 5 is common. So take out the 5 and uncommon m minus 20. So the two brackets are same. We take the common equal to m minus 20 and m minus 5.